Hello and welcome to the Ironverse. My name is Hugo, and today I'll be showing you some of the latest updates in Ironverse. Um, so now we're able to actually interact with the terrain with Q. If you press Q, it'll allow you to select a tile to delete, or if you press E, it'll allow you to place a tile somewhere, and just repress the button to cancel out of that. So there's still a few bugs to fix in here, but at least we'll be able to play around with it a little bit. So you try and dig a hole. So I'll just left click, start making a hole here. See, so this is where we start having some issues. The edges of the chunks aren't properly synchronized just yet, so that's where we have some issues for now. So I'll be fixing that pretty soon. Um, but yeah, it seems to work properly anywhere except on the edges of of the chunks of terrain. Let's see if maybe I can make a tunnel so we can see the ceiling. Hopefully I don't hit the edge of another chunk. Alright. Oh, I think I did hit the edge of a chunk here. I'm going to place blocks. Sometimes a little bit of a delay in placing the blocks. Might be something I'll need to look into. Might have something to do with the edge. Actually, this seems like a different problem. It's a like a missing triangle right there. So that might be just part of the geometry that's missing in the algorithm. I might have forgotten about the triangle somewhere. Ceiling. This is actually the first time I get to try it, play around with it, um, since this I just finished getting this to work. Well, sort of work. Still some bugs. Okay, well you get the idea. So yeah, be able to dig caves and build stuff. See how it looks from far away. Alright. Yeah, so that's what's new. I'll be working on the bugs and getting that fixed as well in the coming days. Yeah. Something else that I noticed that I fixed along the way, if I exit back out to the menu. On well, this screen a little bit, but also on the next screen over here. When whenever you if you were playing on a lower resolution, this whole area would end up becoming all bunched up, and it was actually difficult to select the world. Um, so I fixed that by so the problem with that the problem I had is that the anchors weren't set up correctly. In Unity, you have anchors that allow you to place the boundaries of different UI elements relative to the size of the screen. And so, since that wasn't the case on lower resolutions, the objects were bigger than they were supposed to be. So, yeah, even though I'm going to be changing all of this at some point, I just it was a it wasn't too hard to fix, so I just fixed it so that lower resolutions would actually be able to see something. Yeah. All right. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any suggestions or any questions, if you're curious about anything, um, like, subscribe, support me on Patreon, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.